You know, it's nice to get the rain that we need. This is beneficial rainfall considering the drought conditions. But at this point, this is a house guest that's overstaying its welcome, right? We kind of just want to push it out. And eventually it will move out of here by tomorrow night. It's a slow process to clear out. So I don't think we'll see much in the way of sun until we head into your Wednesday. So over the next 12 hours, rain does continue. The good news is that the wind has subsided. So it's really just a rainstorm at this point. The next threat we're watching for is the potential for some scattered heavy showers developing in southeastern Massachusetts, extending into Rhode Island. We've seen some signs of that earlier this evening. It's something we'll have to watch overnight into tomorrow morning. And the takeaway from this is that although we're in the thick of it right now, we do have big improvements in store for us as we approach the weekend. And so perfect timing there. This is radar estimated rainfall totals. So I do want to mention that these aren't considered as exact according to the National Weather Service just yet. We are waiting on an actual rainfall report from the National Weather Service. But based on radar estimates, we are seeing some numbers here as you move through Plymouth County in the 5.5 to even 6-inch range. So we are very closely following Plymouth County right now. That's a spot where we've seen significant rainfall, and a lot of the models indicate that the heaviest concentration of rain overnight will likely be over Plymouth County again, where we could see an additional 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain in that area. Elsewhere, significantly less is looking to stay less than 1/2 inch for most areas, as the rain is rather light for most locations at this point. But let's take a look at what's going on here overhead. The rain is concentrated from pretty much Worcester eastward. So it's really eastern Massachusetts that's in the thick of it. And that's where we're seeing these spot showers developing that are a little heavier. These are considered moderate showers that are developing just southwest of Boston, right outside of Dedham, moving into the Milton area right now. And then as you move down a little bit farther southward, right through Plymouth County, in fact, is where we're seeing more of these showers firing off. This yellow and orange color here as you head out toward 44 is indicating some heavier rainfall. And although it's really isolated, there's some signs of more of these heavy showers developing off the water and moving onto Cape Cod and moving toward the south coast and the Cape Cod Canal. So that's an area of focus overnight. The wind has subsided, so at this point we're still breezy, but it is not damaging wind by any means. We're seeing wind gusts in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range. So we're looking at just showers for the overnight hours as the wind continues to weaken. Watch for areas of southeastern Massachusetts. This is paused at 6 a.m. tomorrow, and you can still see some signs of moderate showers passing by, perhaps a few strikes of lightning into the mid-morning hours. By noon, I expect most of the rain will be concentrated over areas south of Boston. Elsewhere, you'll just have some mist that you'll be running into with that wind off the water. And then by tomorrow evening, drying out finally. We likely won't see much in the way of sun, but at least we'll start to see things drying out. Sun starts breaking through on Wednesday. On Thursday, there may be a few drops on Cape Cod, but otherwise, this is a pretty dry forecast. Cool for your Thursday, Friday, but we're back into the 60s as we move toward this weekend. So big improvements.